Yeah, to my friends right here. This is the grave of my best brother, Mayor Ataw. Oh.
That's to his brothers, F. Tai Chita, the former mayor.
Seth. So I have here with me Seth and Saki. Huh?
Students before, like once a month, we're doing like.
Go to the. And show them the thing.
So this is the pathway from Nukaf coming here and all the way to the Turtle Cave, Paata. Paata Turtle Cave. Shout out Paata to Kuya. So that's the entrance. From Nukaf. Coming here to this cave, the Turtle Cave.
And it just focus on your face. And if it's dark at the background, it just got the light all from the out front. And then just focus on your face.
This is Turtle Cave. Seth, Saki, face here very quick. Oh, that's too far. Alright, got it.
Okay, my name is Marvin. I'm from Paata to Burian. Anak tiga tiga just far away at okay. Sa 7 days puro baka to sa fera Jeffoy. Papanosa. Ganyan papanosa. Gerek. Richard Parsu di Seriro. Kefeya, mira fe kahremak. Ya panosa ser. Diga jijak. Waru ke gana para fakurawana. Echipo. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, Kristo. That's so nice. Ready, 1, 2.
Ready, 1, 2. 1, 2.
So right there is Saputa, friends, brothers.
That's the last village. And over there.
Yes, in Masanora, for you to go for reject you and necessary what you do. Missionary of honor, and Kuya, thank you.
Oi, bye bye, my friend.
Bye bye.
There you go. Woohoo! See you. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Gone. old turtle cave.
That's the.
Saki
that's the
said
only
one more
I know.
time,
That's the
face
only-
here. Bye, see you guys.
That's the only lyrics I know about that Chuuk song right there.
Querido Jordan. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
One, only two. Not three.
Before, just here. Right here. Wait, alright, good job. This is now between Nukaf and Epin. Wow. Nice.
Savior, find me with my heart bowed down. Find me on my knees, find me close to thee, find me at the feet of Jesus. Find me on my knees. Is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you may call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander. Let my faith to be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. 'Cause I will call upon the name. Keep my heart above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace. For I am yours, you